I have a Danby dbc2760bls wine fridge. Both sides will not cool. When I open each door, there is a fan running. What is the likely problem? How much to repair? Estimate. Are there authorized repair centers in Calgary? The unit is approx 3/4 of a years old.
Hello, at the rear of the wine cooler is a black dome. Is it running and warm? Also the fan beside it, is it running?
The dome is cold and is not running. The fan is also not running.
If they are both not running, then the board is going to be bad, not supplying power to the compressor. If the compressor doesn't run, you will not get any cooling.
Is this something worth fixing? Are the parts readily available?
Parts are a little harder to get for Danby, probably about $400, $500 parts and labor, but with no cooling issues on those, generally I find that they can develop leaks. If it gets a Freon leak, then it is not worth fixing. Something to think about. The newer ones are much better, not nearly as many sealed system problems.
Do you have a recommendation on good brand or model?
New Danbys are good. Sub-Zero makes a good wine cooler, a little pricey.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.